Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by selecting the numeric column you want to check. Make sure cells are true numbers, not text, so formulas work. Once selected, go to Conditional Formatting or insert a helper column with a formula. This is the first actionable step. You're creating flags now. This lets you see duplicates instantly. Make a backup before proceeding so you can undo changes. After marking, you'll move to Concrete Detection Methods in the next step to isolate duplicates precisely. Now you'll add a helper column with a COUNTIF formula to detect duplicates. Type equals COUNTIF, $1.2, $100, A2, 1 then fill down. This returns true for any value appearing more than once so you can filter those rows. The why is that COUNTIF counts occurrences and the logical test flags repeats. Once done, apply a filter on the helper column or sort to bring true values together, and you'll have a concise list of duplicates to review and act on. To finish, decide whether to delete duplicates, highlight them for manual review, or consolidate entries. Use remove duplicates only after verifying because it removes whole rows. If you prefer safe editing, filter true and copy unique items to a new sheet. If something goes wrong, check for common issues. Numbers stored as text, extra spaces, or inconsistent formatting. Trim, value, or clean the data and rerun the COUNTIF. That troubleshooting step fixes most detection errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.